just stepped in my boot.
His hand.
Hey, do shit. Hey, my friend. Get back in the car. I don't give a
County,
shit.
go ahead and send me another unit. Get in the car. Get in the car. You get back over here.
I'm sorry.
You go ahead and get in the car.
Hey.
County, go ahead and send me another unit emergency.
Hey.
Look. Seriously, why are you being so difficult about this?
I asked you 5 times to get out the vehicle.
We asked you 6 times to get in the vehicle. I told you I'd move the bottles and everything. Look, I done proved to you that I'm completely sober. No drunk person can do a backflip.
Sir, you didn't do a backflip. You jumped out the car, you hit your head on my taillight, knocked my taillight out, and then poop fell on the ground.
I felt like I crushed it. That was at least a 9 out of a 10.
And not only that, when you passed out, you pissed yourself.
Newsflash. I pissed myself before I passed out.
Okay, put your hands behind you.
Oh, you just stepped in my boot.
My license or registration? You haven't asked me for my license or registration.
Don't break his arm. Do not break his arm.
Get out.
Do not hurt him.
Calm down. Get out of the vehicle. Calm down. This is completely unnecessary for asking somebody.
Get out.
For pulling somebody. Get out.
Good job.
No.
Don't you shoot that guy.
Okay.
How's it going? I got my pistol right here, so I'm just gonna keep my hands here and give you my ID.
Same thing I tell everybody else, as long as you don't touch yours, I won't touch mine.
Don't show me yours, I won't show you mine. Do you need my concealed license?
Nope.
Okay.
And then,
Ma'am, why did you park here?
Because that sign says fine for parking.
Simple check.
Yeah, and I said
you could have complied. It would have
I
been
don't
different.
have to comply.
I mean, we got called on you. You've been out here for 2 hours, which would be. Do you have a room here?
No, I was cleaning out my car.
So that'd be
Just came into
trespassing.
town, getting ready to leave town.
Okay, so that'd be trespassing.
That's not trespassing.
If you don't have a room here, and we got called here,
Public.
so.
Just getting ready to put the oil in my car and leave. See?
Okay. What's your name?
That's all you need.
What's your name? What is your name?
I'm not giving you my name, sir.
Okay.
You have no reason to stop and talk to me.
You got warrants or something?
No, I don't.
Okay, so why don't you give me your name?
Because I don't have to.
Well,
Which I'm doing nothing wrong. So you can go on with your day. I'm getting ready to leave.
you're not free to leave.
Yeah, I am.
So,
I am free to leave.
what
am I being detained for? What law?
I need your ID.
Okay, I don't have my ID.
Well, I need to be able to identify you.
I don't have my ID.
You don't have a photo of your ID?
I don't have a photo
Have
of
you
my
ever had
ID.
a state-issued ID
I
card?
don't know where it's at. You gonna pay us $50 to go get it from the
I just
DMV?
asked you a simple question.
Okay, well I don't
Have
have
you
it.
ever had one?
Nope.
So if you are unable to identify yourself, we're going to have a situation. Do you understand?
Okay. And what's the situation? What's the situation?
The situation is that when I give you a legal lawful command to identify yourself, if you are unable to or refuse to, you go to jail. Do you understand? You need to stop with your attitude.
I don't go to jail. I know my rights.
You want to make a bet?
Do you not know I know my rights and my people are lawyers?
Are you going to identify yourself?
I don't have my ID to identify myself. Sorry. I have the right to remain silent now that I am detained. Until I have a lawyer.
Are you refusing to identify yourself?
I'm not. I just don't have anything to identify myself. I apologize. I don't have a photo. I don't have anything. I don't. I really don't.
Private vehicles in a public lot.
keep it up. You're under a camera here.
Okay.
We're watching everything you're doing.
That's fine.
Give me your ID.
No.
You just been seen snooping around.
This is a public lot.
I'm talking to you.
This is a public lot.
You were
Sergeant.
looking in cars.
Okay.
private.
And I was looking in the library parking
I'm
lot
about
too.
to put you in jail if you don't provide some ID.
Provide
If
for
you
what?
don't think I can't do it.
How are you?
Good. It's your driver's license.
Sure. First of all, I have a weapon in the car. It's right in my console there.
Very good.
I'm not going to put my hands anywhere near it for you.
Where is the gun?
It's in my console here. You're free to reach in and grab it if you'd like.
Okay. Well, why don't you come on out of the car and I'm just
Sure.
going to grab it for my safety. Okay?
Absolutely.
It's not against the law to have it.
No, I know. I just didn't want to. What we were trying to do was just do like a quick speed up so I could just downshift and make the exhaust
Why
loud.
would you do that, sir?
You
You're
know,
willing to risk a reckless driving citation
Absolutely not.
for the company.
Absolutely not.
Well, because I could articulate reckless driving right there. It's a two-lane curvy road with driveways all over the place. We work a ton of deer-related crashes on this roadway over here.
I asked him a third time, I said, but do you have footage of me driving? That's when this guy knows, look, he's busted, and he tries to send me on my way. And he just goes, you're free to go, and he tries to end it.
Have a little bit more respect for people, okay?
Go ahead, dude.
Is this your stuff?
Yes, my stuff.
Okay. You have your ID with you, sir?
I don't have my ID.
Okay, come on.
State VTO.
Yeah.
There's nothing in there that says that you can drive this on the roadway.
So you're telling me that there's no vehicles from Montana that have reciprocity with New York. Yep.
All right. If you want to get tied up in court, that's fine. I don't want to have to cite you.
Understood.
In order to have that argument made and have you pay fines when you lose. More you just want to.
No, I'm just stating the facts. That's all. I'm debating you.
It's not the truth, though.
It's called a quadricycle. This is not an ATV.
Well, I'm not finding that. You can bring that to court and argue with me.
Oh, you can't let me drive from my house right there?
No. It's not even a safe vehicle to be driving on the road.
A motorcycle, right? Do they have bumpers? You just said it's not safe.
A vehicle without bumpers. You want me to cite you for that too? I'm not going to sit here and argue.
I've known you for 20 years.
I understand, but I'm not going to argue with you because you act like you know more than me.
I'm off the roadway, right?
Because I pulled you over.
I understand. Yes. I'm off the roadway. I park it right here. It's a public parking. I can park right here, right? No, I'm saying I'll go get my truck and trailer.
The answer's no. The answer's no.
Okay.
It's getting towed.
It's all.
Yeah, so this is listed as a UTV here.
No, it's not.
Body style, UTV, black. Number of CCs, Polaris, Razor.
So the registration that, if you go to the next page, you'll see it's zipped.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to argue with you.
And I understand where you're coming from.
Yeah, I wouldn't drive.
Regardless of what you think the law says or the way this works in Montana, it's not a road legal vehicle in New York State. I don't want to have to write you tickets and have you go argue with a DA.
Yeah.
I know. I was speeding.
No, we're not here for that. We got numerous complaints that you don't know how to cook.
Did you fucking snitch on me?
I'm gonna need you to step out of the car. Taser! Get on the fucking floor!
Ma'am, sorry, you talk to them. The officers are here. They wouldn't understand the court side of it. I was given a green light.
Right, but this is civil. So, unfortunately, and you cannot make forceful entry into the home.
And actually, I can. We're opening the door.
No, you cannot.
Opening the door now.
That is illegal.
There's not.
That is illegal. That is illegal. Only a sheriff can do something like that.
Officer, I'm Superior Court officer. I'm here. I'll show you the paperwork when you come down. I'll show you my badge.
You are a process server. You're a 1099 employee process server. That's what you are. That's what your position is.
Here's where we are. You're somewhat correct, but I have the powers from the judge to come do the eviction. And that's where we stand.
You don't have the powers to enforce excessive force onto the home.
Well, the owners allow me because he has possession of the home. Again, I don't have the powers to arrest.
No, you don't. If someone is still living in the home, the owner does not have possession of the home. And that's New Jersey law.
If that was the case, then the whole United States would not leave properties. The question at hand is, and I'm not arguing your debate, what you have with the courts or so on and so forth.
Right now you are trespassing onto property. No one said that you could come onto this property.